Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to replace ink cartridges in Canon Pixma MG3650S. To access the cartridge's power on your printer, then stick your finger into this notch and open the front door. The cartridge door opens automatically. Now the cartridge holder will move left and back again. And now you can remove all cartridges. To do this, just press on this frame to lower it. You will hear a slight click. That's totally normal. The same for the second frame. And now just take the cartridges out of there. 1 and 2. Next, unbox your new cartridges. They are come in the boxes protected with the film. So just remove this film, take the cartridge out of the box, and you will see protective ribbon on the cartridge. Just pull on this little strip and it will come off on its own. And do the same for the color cartridge. And in no case, do not touch the print head with your finger. It's very dangerous for a cartridge. Next, the color cartridge should be installed into the left slot, so take it like this so that the label faces you and just put it into the slot. Don't push, just put. And the black cartridge should be in the right slot. Then push upward with your finger to snap the slot into place, like this. And that's pretty it. Now close the cartridge door, close the front door, and that's pretty it. Now the printer is going to make some noise to initialize inks or whatever it does inside. You don't have to care about this. You just need to make sure that the alarm indicator is off. It means you've installed the cartridges correctly and everything is fine with them. So that's how it's done. If you found this helpful, support our channel with your like and subscription, and see you in the next videos. Be awesome. Bye guys.